myself Miss Manisha Naik. I started the industrial chemistry paper number 16, that is unit first, sugar chemistry. In last lectures we have studied it about the syllabus that we are going to study in this chapter, also about the introduction, also about manufacture of sugarcane in India. In that we have studied the extraction of juice, then clarification of juice. The next point we have studied it, that is the concentration of juice to syrup. Next point we have studied that the crystallization of sugar, which contains graining, vibrating method, wetting method, shock treatment method, growth of crystals. We have said these sub points in the crystallization of sugar. Now we are going to study the next point, that is the centrifugation. What is meant by the centrifugation? It is the process of separation. The sugar crystals from mother liquor is separated. Remember, from mother liquor, sugar crystals are separated. That process is known as a centrifugation. Centrifuge has a cylindrical perforated basket which rotate vertically shaft. Remember, centrifuge has a rotate vertical shaft. It has basket rotate shaft. What is the work of the centrifuge? It holds the sugar crystals. Remember, centrifuge work is it holds the sugar crystals and passes the liquid. It does not hold the liquid, it holds only a crystals of sugar. What is the process we carry out in a centrifugation? That is semi-solid mask, means molecule, which is hot, is spun first by the speed 18,000 to 2,400 rpm. Remember, semi-solid mass is spun first by the speed 18,000 to 2,400 rpm. Then what is the work or process of centrifugal? The centrifugal work forces semi-solid mass, means it holds the semi-solid mass to the wall of the basket and it forces out syrup. Remember, it holds the semi-solid mass for the wall basket and it forces out the syrup, that is in short mother liquor. The sugar crystals which are attached to the wall basket, remember the sugar crystals which are held by the centrifugal for the wall basket, the color of these sugar crystals is grayish brown colored. Why the grayish brown color is taken for the sugar crystal? Due to the molasses. Remember, due to the molasses, the sugar crystals have grayish brown color. How that grayish brown color is washed out? It is washed by basket rotate to sugar fairly. Remember that sugar grayish brown color is washed by washing in a basket which rotate and sugar fairly crystals are formed. The next process is refining of sugar. What is meant by refining of sugar? Means decolorization. Means to remove the color brown which is for sugar crystals in centrifugation formed to convert pure white sugar. To get a pure white sugar, refining of sugar, the process is carried out, means decolorization. It is carried out by following process. First is affination. The brown sugar crystals which are formed in centrifugation process, that brown sugar is mixed with a much more mother liquor. It is mixed with much more liquor and it is stirred continuously. Why it is stirred? To remove molasses coating. Okay, it is used to remove molasses coating which gives a brown color to the sugar crystals. Then that mixture, means which is a crystals, is washed away with what? Water. Remember, after removing the molasses coating, means after refining sugar, it is washed away by hot water. That sugar melt, means the sugar which is washed, that melts, syrup is formed and the next defecation process is used. That washed sugar melts, then syrup is formed and that syrup is used for the next defecation. The next process is defecation, means for example syrup. The syrup contains impurities such as liming, sulfonation, carbonation. To remove impurities, defecation process is used. means impurities plus colloidal particles is formed in the PPT, while the remaining mother liquor is treated for filter process. Impurities and colloidal particles are removed in the form of PPT and the remaining mother liquor is treated for filter. The next process is decolorization. That filtered mother liquor is clear. It is dark brown liquid which contains the impurities. Remember, filtered liquor is always clear and the dark brown liquid is also there which contains the impurities. That liquid is passed in the beds of bone charcoal. Remember, brown liquid which is used in decolorization is passed in the beds of bone charcoal, that is char tanks. That liquid percolates, clear colorless syrup we get. Remember, in decolorization it is passed to the beds of bone charcoal, we get clear colorless syrup. Okay. The next process is crystallization and centrifugation. The syrup which is formed in defecation, that syrup sugar is diluted, then it is concentrated in pan, and that semi-solid mass which is formed is sent to crystallizer. Remember, the syrup which is formed in defecation process is concentrated in pan and that semi-solid mass is passed to crystallizer. Why it is passed to crystallizer? To separate sugar centrifugation. To separate sugar for centrifugation. Then that sugar is washed away. The washed sugar is in a container and the mother liquor is next used for the application for a raw sugar. When it is sent in crystallizer, it separates. The sugar which is formed is always in container. It is washed and the washed from that mother liquor is remaining. That mother liquor is used for application for a raw sugar. The next process is a drying process. After crystallization centrifugation process, the sugar which is formed, it contains at least 1.2% of moisture. To remove that moisture, dry granulator is used. The sugar when rotates in dry granulator drum, it is dried by hot air is blown. Okay. Today we have studied the centrifugation and refining of sugar. In last two lectures and this lecture we have studied about the manufacture of cane sugar in India, that is crystallization of sugar syrup, centrifugation, refining of sugar. Then also we have studied the growth of the crystal, then concentration of juice to syrup. Like this, and we have studied the points which are mentioned in manufacture of cane sugar in India. Now we are going to discuss the next point in second lecture. Thank you.